that if you are trying to conceive a TTC patient and you want to know your fertile window, there is always a formula to that. Now, it is almost the same thing, but it's slightly different. So let's assume that you have a 21 days menstrual cycle and you are a TTC, I mean trying to conceive, mother or woman, and you want to know your fertile window. What you're gonna do is use the first formula. 21 days minus 14 is gonna give you 7, and you write it here. This is your possible day of ovulation, right? It looks similar, right? Yeah. But see where everything changed a bit is you will have to say again 21 days minus 18, and it will give you a 3. Now this marks the beginning of your fertile window. This is your possible day of your ovulation, and this is the beginning of your fertile window. What you will do is add 4 to 3. You say 3 plus 4, it will give you 7, which is still your ovulation day, and add 5 to 7, which will give you a 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is the end of your fertile window. So you see the different thing there is that if you are not trying to conceive, what you're going to do, the difference there is that you're going to start your fertile window from here, because the sperm, we consider the lifespan of the sperm. So that is why you have to start your fertile window from here to make it a complete 5 days that you're going to abstain from sex. But since you're trying to conceive, this is another formula for you. Your fertile window starts from the 3rd, making it 4 days. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So, because we know that on the 5th day, actually, you have chances of getting pregnant, but the sperms by then will be very weak, right? So for the people who are not ready to be mothers yet, it is not advisable to even try on that 5th day. That is why you start from here. But if you actually want to be a mother, start from the 3rd. You use this formula. 21 day cycle, you do 21 minus 14, it will give you 7. That is your possible date of ovulation. Then you do 21 minus 18, it will give you 3. That will be the 3rd, will be the beginning of your fertile window. Then you add 4 plus 3, it will give you 7, confirming the day of your ovulation. Then add 5 to 7, it will give you the end of your fertile window. Let me give you another example. Let's assume again that you have hold on guys. Let's assume again that you have a 30 days cycle, right? If you have a 30-day cycle, for you to know your ovulation day, you still follow the rules. 30 minus 14 will give you 16, and 30 minus 18 will give you 12. So you see, 30 minus 14 giving you 16. Now you have gotten the possible day that you are going to ovulate. But for you to know your fertile window as a trying to conceive lady, what you're going to do is to do 30 minus 18. Then it is going to give you 12. That means 12 is going to be the beginning of your fertile window. And 12 plus 4 is going to give you 16, confirming the day that you're going to ovulate. Then you add 5 plus 16. It's going to give you how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Marking the end of your fertile window. Do you understand now? So let me say it again. If you have a 30-day cycle and you are a TCC lady, I mean trying to conceive lady, what you have to do is to use the same formula. 30 minus 14 will give you your possible day of ovulation, right? Then you have to do 30 minus 18, giving you 12. It marks the beginning of your fertile window. Then that 12, you add 4 to the 12, confirming, giving you 16, confirming the day of your ovulation. Then add 5 to 16, giving you 21, marking the end of your fertile window. So it's almost the same, but it's slightly different. The difference there is that it adds 4 days before your ovulation and 5 days after your ovulation. But if you are not trying to conceive, you add 5 days before your ovulation and 5 days after your ovulation. So guys, if that is clear by now, I'll say that will be all for today. I hope that I made everything clear. Actually, I actually don't want this video to be lengthy, and I seriously hope I achieved that. But most importantly, I hope that I made everything clear. So thank you so much for staying with me till the end. I hope that everything I taught now was actually clear. Thank you so much for staying with me till the end. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you still waiting for? Please click on that red subscribe button and also on the post notification bell, so that when next I drop another video, you'll be the first, or maybe the second, or the third. Don't mind me, maybe the first to get notified, please. So thank you so much and remain blessed.